So my name is Mahdi, and I do business here. So my question is, I read an hadith which says that we have to hasten to break our fast. And also I read another hadith which says that when the sun sets, that time we have to break our fast. So one of my friend was saying that we should break the fast only when we hear the Azaan. So here in most of the masjids, I have noticed that the Azaan is given 5 minutes after the sunset. So what am I supposed to do? Shall I follow the sunset or shall I wait for the Azaan?
The brother asked an important question, that he has heard a hadith that the Prophet said that you should break the fast as soon as possible. And the Prophet said, my hadith will be on, my ummah will be on the right track as long as they hasten to break the fast and they delay the suhoor. That means the suhoor you should do as late as possible, fasting as early as possible, breaking the fast as early as possible. Today is the age of science and technology. At the olden time you had to see physically. Now everything is there. Google is right. What is the sunset time? Google. Then you program your mobile to satellite. It will never go wrong. Previously your watch differs. If you have expensive watch, the difference is few seconds. Cheap watch, difference is 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Today you have your mobile, you link it to the satellite, you will have accurate second to second. I've got many mobiles. If I link it to satellite, all mobiles, same second there. So, and knowing the sunset and sunrise is very easy. Google, what is the sunrise on so and so date in Muscat, you will get the time. Correct? You make your watch as per as the time of the satellite. Once it's done, open, you don't have to hear the Azaan. The Azaan was that time when people who don't know the time, who cannot see the sunset, that's good. Azaan is good. But there's no hadith saying Azaan should be heard. Main thing is the time is up, you should do it. Now what you understand, that there are different schools of thought. And these schools of thought may have difference of opinion when do you break the fast. You understand? No? Every school of thought, these are minor differences. But the hadith of the Prophet is there, you break your fast earliest and the suhoor the latest. To know the time of fast, hearing the Azaan is not a must. To end your suhoor, it's not a must. But if it's there, you get confused. Suppose you're not sure your watch is right or wrong. Then you wait for the Azaan. Okay, someone is there giving the Azaan. But if you're sure that your mobile is linked to the satellite and you know the time of sunrise, then you calculate Fajr time. The calculation of Fajr time is different. It's not easy. But sunset is very easy. So sunset for breaking the fast, know the time, link your mobile to the satellite, you can never go wrong. Hope that answers the question.
So I don't have to wait for the Azaan. If I see the sunset, I can break my fast.
Suppose the muezzin is sleeping, so you won't break the fast. Suppose the muezzin is sleeping, he gets up half an hour late. Can happen, he's a human being, correct?
Yes, yes.
So what do you mean you're not going to break the fast? That is a confirmation the time is up. But there is no rule that only after hearing the Azaan. But once the Azaan is out, okay, confirmed that the time is up. And if the muezzin make a mistake, you are not responsible. If the muezzin gives the Azaan early by mistake, it's done by mistake. A Prophet said, if you do in ignorance, you are forgiven. Correct? So Azaan is a reconfirmation that somebody else has done. But if you want to be on the right track, you can look even at your watch, there's no problem. The mobile is easier. Watch is there, I don't know which type of watch you have. Heavy. So you link your mobile to satellite and come to know the timing by the Google or sunset, you can never go wrong. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you.